Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Ron's Rides, and I have some apologies to make today. First off, the apology of my Maserati Ghibli being so filthy. Sorry, I've been really busy with the house. It's rainy season all day here in Florida, and I just haven't had time to give her a proper clean. So first apology. Second apology, yeah, I need to take better care of this car here, because as you can see, the whole main reason of this video is me getting new tires, because there is no tread left on these Pirelli P Zeros. Now you're probably wondering, how did you let it get that bad? Okay. And I'm bringing out the excuse book again. I've been so busy with the house that I just haven't had time to get the car and to do that and get it all taken care of. Now you're also wondering, well, you work at the dealership too. You can just take it in on a day that you work and get it done. You are right. I can do that, but I haven't, because I've been dumping a lot of money into the house, and I don't have an infinite amount of money, so I had to wait until a time to where I got all the house stuff settled and then put money into the car. It just happened that a friend was in town, and of course when a friend is in town and they want to ride in your car, of course you're gonna let them ride in your car, right? So, and then you're gonna get in there and act a fool, act silly, and really step on the gas and drive a little crazy. So I did that. And I didn't do any burnouts, but I was heavy on the pedal as always in sport mode, but just a little bit more aggressive. And that last little tread left that I had on these wheels are gone. So as you can see, I am just barely making it. So I think it's time to go get new tires. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so in traffic on my way to the dealership. I'm actually working today, so I'm gonna drop my car off at the dealership to get the tires done. I'm also driving to Miami today, or riding to Miami with one of my coworkers, because we are delivering a car there today. We're delivering a white Stelvio. So I probably won't be able to film the process. I've done this before when I got my first set of tires. Probably won't be able to film the process. I'll come back from Miami today and grab the car and finish my shift, because I'm supposed to be closing tonight. So I'll pick up the car with the new tires on it. So we'll pick up from there, but I'm going to just, get the car when I get back from Miami with the new tires on it. Now I urge everyone not to do what I just did, or what I'm doing at the moment. It is driving on tires that are this low. It is not a safe thing to do. I'm doing this at my own risk, but I'm on the way to the dealership. I'm right around the corner. So of course I'm gonna get the last little bit of these tires while I can, but be safe, guys. When you get tires, they're not just for making the car move. They're also for braking and handling, okay? You can't handle your car correctly how it's supposed to, and you can't brake correctly how you're supposed to with tires that are worn, beyond the point where they should be. So I just want to send a disclaimer that be safe, and don't think that this is okay. You definitely need to get these things changed out. They make these tires the size and width and the way they are for the tread for a reason. So don't take that for granted, all right? That's it. I'm just having a little fun before I go to the dealership. I've done this plenty of times before. I don't want you guys to get used to something like this. All right, pulling into service. And that's the Stelvio we are delivering to Miami, but I'm gonna need the car here to get serviced. And you can't forget the locking nut for the wheels, because I do have locking nuts, so you guys aren't trying to steal my wheels. So we need this to get the tires off. So guys, we're currently driving right now, and we're not driving necessarily to Miami. It's more Parkland, Florida. And if you guys have been under a rock that you don't know where Parkland, Florida is, it's where that big school shooting was. So we're getting the car delivered. We're delivering the car to Parkland, Florida. I'm driving the Stelvio right now that's being delivered, and my coworker is driving his white Afla Romeo, Julia. So we're kind of mobbing. when him driving his white Giulia and me driving behind him in the white Stelvio. Now, it's a 3-hour drive for us. I'm in the sports seats, so I'll be able to tell you how comfortable these sports seats hold up after 3 hours. It's a little bit over 3 hours from Daytona Beach to Parkland, Florida. So we're gonna drop the car off there, grab some lunch, and then head back to the dealership in Daytona. But just thought I'd share this experience with you guys. All right, guys, we made it into the neighborhood, and holy crap, these houses are pretty dope. So now we just gotta go take the car to the destination and the houses. But I mean, holy smokes, we picked a really good neighborhood to deliver this car. So here we are in Parkland, following the Giulia. There's my coworker, and we're gonna get this Stelvio to their owner, their new owner, out here in Parkland. Insane. Insane. All right, guys, so I am back from Miami. That was a wonderful trip. I do have my keys here with my service number, and I have my car here with the service number in the window. So that will let you know that I did have those tires replaced. So their rear tires have been replaced. The price for these at my employee discount out the door was $695 for the 2 rear tires. That's with labor included. So out the door tires with labor included, as you know, mounting and balancing, all that. $695. Now, this isn't going to help you guys if you're trying to replace all 4 tires, but I did make a video way back when I replaced all 4 tires with the same Pirelli tires that I have on this car now. I did make a video on that, so I will link to that at the end of this video. So if you need pricing on what it would normally cost and what you know, I paid for that when I wasn't an employee, check out that video. This is just letting you guys know that I got it done and for how much at my employee cost, because I know people will ask. Very dirty. I need to get this clean now, so I apologize. But let me explain. So these are, let me explain the tires. These are the ZR rated tires. ZR meaning they are, I guess, warranted under the speeds of 186 miles per hour. So that means that I can go up to 186 miles per hour and still be able to function properly with these tires, as in a safety issue. Now, we all know that the Ghibli S here is only a top speed of 177 miles per hour. So we know that I won't be exceeding that limit of the 186, but the ZR rated means that I can do that safely. These are summer tires, Pirelli P Zero summer tires, which is a bit softer, so they don't last as long as the all-season tires. So they are sticky, they are soft, and they wear a little bit faster than those tires. So just to keep that in mind, if you do go to get these tires, they may not last you as long as the all seasons. So if you're on a budget, stick with the all seasons. You'll probably get more, about 15,000 miles or so out of those, maybe a little bit more, to where these you get about 10,000 miles out of the tread on these. And these, or if you're wondering the size, these are 285/35 tires, all right? So just to kind of give you an idea, like I said, $695 out the door, but that is an employee price. All right, so now I'm gonna cruise up front, so you can kind of see the tread here on the tire. You see it's very meaty compared to what it was this morning. We'll go up to the front so I can kind of show you how much more tread the front has, as far as, you know, more than the back had earlier. So you see how slick the back had, and you know, now you see the tread up front. You can tell that this is a rear-wheel drive car, because the back I was pretty much riding on slicks, to where the front wasn't worn as much, because you know, you're not spinning the tires in the back. So just to kind of give you a perception of what that looks like as well. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what it would be to do these kind of things, and you know, normal wear and tear of the car. And I say normal, I'll quote that, because sometimes I'm a little heavy on the foot there. So I know this vlog was a little different than normal. I'm showing you the behind the scenes of doing car deliveries, taking it down to Parkland, Fort Lauderdale area, and just taking you on a journey with me. It was definitely a lot longer than my normal vlogs. If you guys like it, definitely give me a thumbs up. I'll do more videos like this. I always like bringing new stuff to the channel, so If you guys didn't like the way I did this video, let me know. I'm gonna probably put a little timestamp to skip down to the tires, maybe, because I know somebody will either do it for me or complain that the video is too long and they want, you know, they'll put their own timestamp to skip down. I know how you guys do on YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, definitely give me a thumbs up, support the channel. Also, definitely leave a comment below on what you thought about the video, and if you think $695 is a good deal for these 2 summer tires, or if you think I should skip the summer tires and get all season tires. I'm kind of thinking more towards that. I mean, I guess I don't really technically need all season tires, but I mean, they'll last a little bit longer, and you guys know I like to drive, so let me know what you guys think down below, because I had a lot of fun and I got a lot done today. So with that said, this has been Ron's Rides. You got to subscribe if you want to see more Maserati Alfa Romeo content. Giveaway coming very soon within the next few videos. Definitely check that out. And you guys have a blessed day. We're gonna get out of here. It's time to go. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.